Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions and Focus Darling, and welcome to this video tutorial on using Trello and our My Growth and Inspiration Station for you and your photography business bonus Trello board. This is really beautiful. So if you've watched our previous videos in this series, you'll know already how to use your business binder in Trello for your photography business and your client management Trello board as well, with all of our copy and paste replies that you can have, your editing queue, your client booking diary, clients past, present and future, everything included, your business binder, you have your business information, price list, rolling to-do list, your marketing, social media posts, reviews, testimonials, courses and subscriptions. Everything that you need in there is included. All you've got to do is fill out the information, which is super satisfying. And it's a living creature in Trello. You can literally, this will just update with itself. You can keep it going. You can keep everything in one place, which for me as a mum and a business owner and somebody who has a million hobbies on the go at any one time, not to mention being very scatty, this is a lifesaver for me. So the first thing we've provided for you is your growth inspiration file. And this is the first board you get once you've set your board up. How to use this section. You can archive this card when finished if you want to keep it out of the way. This is a great place to screenshot or link anything you are inspired by, especially for your photography. But please also make a note of the original creator so you can be sure to credit them if you are really kind of taking a lot of inspiration from their work. Networking with your industry peers is super important. I need to put this in there because so many of us will get an idea, screenshot it, recreate something similar down the line and not remember where we originally saw it, so we can't credit the original creator. It's a great way to network with each other. We're all work colleagues spread around the world at the end of the day. So if you see it on Pinterest, anything like that, make sure that you pop your link in, pop a screenshot in. There's a little bit of information here if you want the kind of the boost of inspiration versus imitation. So you can literally add screenshots in here. You just take a screenshot and hit paste and it pops up, and you can populate your list like this of pictures that you've seen, that you've screenshot in, and in the description you can put who the photo is by, and you can put anything like that. You can just pop your inspiration in, and the great thing about this, when you populate it, you'll just have this list of beautiful pictures that at any point that you've seen that you know your style that you really want to create, when you want to get your creative juices flowing, you can just jump in here, add it in and have a look. Because so many of us save things on Facebook and Pinterest, and that's kind of where they go to die. So having your living Trello board with everything on it keeps you accountable, keeps everything at the forefront of your brain whenever you need to. And it means you don't need to worry about it or try and remember it because it's there in Trello. Next up in your growth section, we have your dream client. This is how to add your dream target client. You can add your target client avatar, their profile, who is your target audience. Add their information below so you always know who you're talking to online, in email, who you're marketing to, who you're aiming for in your photography business at all times. So without knowing who you're marketing to, you won't be able to nail your marketing and progress your business on. You can have more than one target client. For example, pet owners will be very different target client to your wedding clients, to your newborn clients. So here is where you can add information about your client avatar. Here, my dream target client. You click on here. My target client is age 30. Something like this. When you start to populate your target client in here, you will always know who you're talking to. Next up, you have your growth, your personal board. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. This is your personal list, your own must-read books, your must-listen podcasts, watch videos that you want to watch, eating habits, health and lifestyle, and any future dreams. Fill them in. And you can always add a card. You can add anything in there and you can click on it and you can write inside. You can add screenshots, you can add images, you can add checklists. You can add labels, you can add members in, you could add your partner, business partner, anyone else. You can add people into all of these if you wanted to. That's the beauty of Trello. Now into your manifesting. If you don't need manifesting, you can just archive any of these by hitting archive this list. I personally love a bit of manifestation. I love making it happen. So you've got total freedom here. You can add any quotes that you love. You can screenshot anything in. Where do you see yourself in 12 months? Do you want that new MacBook? You know, add a picture of it in. Get really specific when you're manifesting. Your dreams can become the reality, especially if you're adding to them. You're looking at them regularly. They're right here in your Trello as a living creature. I think it's really powerful. And last up, we've included some quotes, inspiration for you. You can download and use these. You can use them in your Trello. You can use them as a background. There are some really nice quotes in here that I really hope help you at any stage of filling out this Trello or whatever you want to do. You can share these to your Facebook, your Instagram, anything like that. You can do whatever you like with them. So that's how to use your growth and inspiration station bonus Trello board that we've popped in there for you. Really beautiful for your inspiration, your photography and life inspiration, for building your dream clients so you can go off any clients you've already had that were your perfect clients, write about them. One tip of advice when profiling your dream target client avatar is get specific. The more specific you are, you know, imagine a bullseye with different colours coming into the centre. You want to be right in the centre kind of specific, because the net will spread wider. Be as specific as you can. A specific age, not age 20 to 30. And go for 28. You know, be very specific. Your personal list, your manifestation and growth, and your quotes. So I hope you love this one. And you can watch the videos for your client management Trello and your huge business binder Trello with everything that you need done for you. All you got to do is pop your own info in and keep this as a living list. Everything in one place is the dream, and Trello really is it. And it's free to use. I can't wait to see what you do with these. Please let us know. Pop us an email, post in our LSP Actions group for Focus Darling and LSP Actions. Tag us. I'd really love to see what you're doing. And at any point you can change anything. You can even change, you can change backgrounds. You can do whatever you need in Trello. You really can, and it comes with loads of pictures. It's super, super flexible. I hope you enjoy. Here is to a more organised future starting right now. I really don't leave this as something to go and die on your desktop. Once you start, just get started with the easy stuff. Add your business contact details. Add some clients that you currently got at the moment. Add some quotes, manifestation, what do you want? And this is going to inspire you to finish it and keep it going. It's so satisfying. Trust me on this. It is so satisfying. I hope you love it. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.